Good morning, everyone. It is, I think, about minus 1.5 degrees today. We are starting back up after a lovely warm holiday in South Africa. Today we will be attempting to pull new cables for the lights to the existing switches. Let's see if it works.
So, some great progress has been made. We had Ahmed helping us today in the bathroom.
Hello, Ahmed.
So we managed to get the piping done for the shower with the taps installed. We've got backing at the top for the top fixing of the shower as well to make sure that that doesn't come out. We've put the boards in. Next step will be to fix the joints, waterproof paint it, and then put the final finish on. And then comes our shower enclosure. So definitely going great there. On this side, we've managed to get the hole drilled for the drain in the bath. The wires that we were pulling this morning was not a success because the old wiring is set up in such a way that this light here is being fed from that little switch up at the roof. So we're going to have to redo the wiring completely to do that. Then last but not least, we're busy at the vanity, trying to get as much of that installed, both electrical and water, and the drain has been drilled as well. So, you're going. Okay, so end of Sunday. Have to end a little bit early this weekend. We need to go test some electric vehicles because we need to change vehicles soon. So, I managed to do a couple of more things today, most of which is this section over here. So if you look there, you'll see that entire wall has been insulated. I brought through the electrical and water and sewer connections through a what do you call it? A shutterboard. So that's going to be used to fit our vanity on to make sure that it's nice and strong and doesn't come off. You'll see I'm busy drilling the holes to fit it to the wall. Once that's connected to the wall, that thing will be, it'll be there. Then, like you guys know, we managed to, with the help of Ahmed yesterday, get the boarding up at the shower. So the next step is waterproofing, and then we need to start paneling the inside of the shower, do the shower walls, and then fit the taps and everything like that to finish that off. This side, we also brought in a new line for the washing machines through the wall. There's still a drain that needs to come back from the other side as well for us to get the washing machines connected up in the future laundry that'll be at the back there. Lots got done. Constant struggle to keep everything nice and tidy. Trying to vacuum and pack things away as I go along, but it is not without sometimes of pure chaos. So I'm packing up. See you guys on the next one. Something that I forgot to mention is we got some deliveries. One of which is the fireplace for the bathroom, which we're quite excited about. The taps and faucets for the bathroom. So we now have all of that. As you know, the vanity is there. I'm going to take you guys downstairs and show you what we've received downstairs as well. Just a minute. So over here we received the foot for our raised floor that we're going to be building in the technical room. So this whole entire technical room will have a false floor just roughly at the height of this section over here. That'll enable us to put all the pipes and cables underneath the floor nice and tight and keep it neat. We also got the new filters. So that needs to go up there where the old filter came out. There's the old filter. It's just not going to work for us. So we're replacing it on the fly. We also received our underfloor heating with the pads that go underneath them to make them work properly. So we can start installing that as soon as we start with that as well. There's all the fittings and things for the underfloor heating with the control panels. We also started getting some materials in for the electrical board to start setting that up as well once the wall is built. Also got some filling materials and polyfiller to fill up the holes that we've been making in the walls and finishing up the walls and everything, so that we can start finishing things up. And yeah, hopefully we can get one room done in the next week or two, three. Our aim is to be ready to move in by end of February. That means the first floor bathroom, the room of TJ, and the spare room and the office, and for that matter the laundry, needs to be roughly done. And the old kitchen needs to be functional, and this space below needs to be cleaned out and made proper. Some areas will be used for storage, some not. So the areas that will be used for storage we need to close off so that we can live in here come end of Feb and still do renovations as we go along day to day and on weekends, so we can get out of the old house. So it's going to be a challenge, going to be tight, but we're very, very, very focused to get it done, and we're hoping to get it done by then. Cheers. And last but certainly not least, we also received our microwave oven that we need to build into the new kitchen, but we'll be using it in the old one for time being, as well as our built-in dishwasher, which will be installed in the new pantry, but which will also need to get a spot in the old kitchen. So somewhere in this space over here, there will be a dishwasher and a microwave fitted into temporary cupboards or something of that nature until we get the proper ones done.